Here I am almost at the northern end of Patong Beach, Phuket. This video was taken August of 2008. Roughly around 7 o'clock. Not too many people are on the beach right now. Very quiet. Just some beach walkers, runners. See there in the distance, Mare Coral Beach Resort. I like to come here early in the morning sometimes, do runs or do a swim. And there's not too many people out, not too many jet skis out there. And we're coming around to almost the northern end of Patong Beach. Just to the tip there. You can see it. Coming around the backside. Backside of Patong, northern end of Patong Beach. And you can see the Patong Tower, which is almost center beach. Patong Tower is probably the largest building in Patong. And it is south, the southern end down there. Around the side. And that is Patong Beach, northern end. Thanks for coming.